Got the truck on the frame now. I'm gonna be doing a little bit pulling and replacing the rails, and also gonna work on getting the studs out of the exhaust manifolds. A couple of them are broken. We'll also do that here and reassemble it. So the truck is on the frame. We got the fender rails out yesterday. Got everything done over there, and today we came in while the rails were out, tried to get the broken head bolts out from the exhaust manifolds, because that's the Hemi typical issue. And one of the bolts, it took us the whole day to get it out. Well, we'll try to weld on a nut while the head was on the motor. It wouldn't budge. And the passenger side, it took us about a minute or two. It came out easy, but the driver's side was a whole pain in the butt. Then nothing would work, so it ended up just tearing the engine apart, taking the head off, and then drilled it out, and then welded on the nut, and then it finally came out. But there was an issue with the thread where it got cross-threaded, or something happened to it that the thread got locked in and kind of worn out. So, but thank God, finally got it out. And now I'm gonna be reassembling, putting one of the heads back on, and then so gotta take the second head out over there and replace all the gaskets. But here's this head, already kind of cleaned it up. Gonna put the exhaust manifold on, and there's the motor. It looks pretty decent. Just gotta blow air a few little debris pieces off of it, and then bolt it back down. Got a new set of studs, which I gotta take off the Loctite on it to make it easier for the next guy if anything happens down the road. Got the new gaskets here. Now let's get a torque bar and torque him down. Surprisingly, they're only 18 and then 23. So there. So this is it. I was gonna replace the spark plugs, but I will do it later. I know it would have been a lot easier, but I need 16 of them, and gotta go to the store next to me because they gave me a better deal than over here. So the head is already good to go. Got the manifold on. So now I gotta blow a little bit of the debris out of there and put a gasket on and put the head on. One side is complete. Now time to tear this one up. And good stuff, fun stuff. Might be missing a few gaskets somewhere here that I need to replace, but I don't have time to mess with that. Gotta get assembled as soon as possible. So that looks like it's it for that. Only got left is the back exhaust manifold bolts right there. Other than that, I think everything is good. So yeah, and that's what happens for one little bolt. You replace all the gaskets on the motor. And I see got a bunch of other left over. Some valve gaskets and some little things. Not even sure where they go, but whatever.